Here's the installation of the SPD Cleat for the SuperRep Cycle shoe. All you need here are the backings, which come in this little bag that came with the shoe, as you saw in the unboxing. These are the two for the SPD. If you have Delta clips, it already has the brackets in it for you right here that you just screw the screws in. But since this is a SPD cleat for indoor cycling, the ones I bought are the Shimano. They do not come with the shoes. I will link them in the description below on where to buy these on Amazon. Just take those apart. You will need a hex wrench. That does not come with any of the equipment here, so you kind of have to get this on the side, or sometimes there are cleats that come with it too, so just be on the lookout on that. So what you do first, just gonna take the shoe apart. The inner sole comes out. Just pull that on out. As you can see inside, you'll see a gray padding in there. Use the hex wrench, push the gray padding through. Alright, so this is the gray padding that was inside. It's hard to see with the lighting. Alright, so you take that out, you take one of these, put it inside the shoe. As you can see, it will show through right there. Again, as you see, my hand is inside, it slides up and down. Usually, so depending on your foot, you kind of have to adjust it accordingly. So it's kind of nice if you keep a wrench with you when you go to your indoor cycling class, or if you have the bike at home, you kind of have to try positioning this in a position that is comfortable for your foot. Usually it's around the ball of your foot, so I have it pushed all the way up from my foot, but then again, your foot is different, so you might need to adjust it accordingly. You got the arrow pointing up on the cleat. Just put it in. Go ahead and add some hand tighten the screw first, and then we will use the wrench. So super simple. Alright, so once those are tight, nice and screwed in, you're just gonna make this about centered. Again, you can adjust accordingly. Take the wrench, just tighten up the screw. I'm not gonna tighten up one more than the other. I'm just gonna make it loose for now, so that you can adjust the cleats. So you still have some give. Okay, so that looks about centered for now. I'll tighten it right here for now, and then I will try it on and we'll adjust later if I need to. So make sure you have these on tight, okay? One thing I have noticed with cleats, you can buy generic brands, off-brands from Amazon, but the quality is not as good as the Shimano name brand ones, because their screws get stripped easily. So when you're on the bike, you kind of are always coming in and out, and then these screws get loose, or the screws, I guess just the metal, are not as strong. So I had another pair that was an off-brand that I would get just because it was cheaper. But I noticed that the screws were stripping, and eventually the cleat got stuck to the pedal, and so it was extremely hard to get the cleat off of the pedal without the shoe attached. So once you have that tightened, so it's good to get name brand Shimano. Again, I'll link it in the description below. Again, the shoes, most indoor cycling shoes do not come with the cleats, so you have to buy it separate. Okay, you put that gray padding back in, as you can see, maybe, but you just put the gray padding back in. You take this one, kind of cool pattern, SuperRep. You put that inside, strap it all back together. And then try it out. Again, just a little tip for how to get your shoe off of it if you are new to cycling. When you clip it in right. This is the pedal. To get out, you want to twist the heel out, toe in, and then unclip. Okay, it is challenging. Yeah, it is a little bit challenging if you're new to cycling. So use that technique. When you clip in, you kind of just gotta feel it out. Be careful though with the Nikes. I mean, this is just plastic here, so it's easily scratched if you are missing the clip on the pedal. This part is kind of just fabric as well, so that's one of the downfalls that I've noticed with the Nike shoes, the Nike SuperRep indoor cycling shoes, that the bottom of the material can easily get scratched. But again, so if my hand is the clip, you clip it in however you can get it in, to unclip, heel out, and then pull through. Okay, so I did one side, other side is the exact same, so I'm not going to go through that process on here. But yeah, just take it out, same thing. Again, Shimano cleats, you do need a hex wrench though. Okay, make sure it fits the exact screw. I'm not sure exactly what size this is, but sometimes the cleats come with it, sometimes they don't. The Shimano ones, they did not, so I had to use this. The backing, it comes with the shoe. Okay, this is for SPD. Again, if you have Delta clips, the triangle, you already got the backing in it already. So you just screw the screws in a lot easier. You won't even probably have to remove the sole, the bottom of the shoe, to get it in. So, all right, so again, there it is. I installed one side. I'm gonna go try it out. If I need to adjust, I will adjust. Again, if you go to your class, maybe take this with you so that you can adjust accordingly. Probably go early, or if it's just at your gym, take them during your gym, outside of class, try it out, you know. But if you got your own bike, more convenient to have shoes, makes a big difference in your cycling. So until next time, remember, check out the rest of my channel. I got some indoor cycling ride workouts for you to try out. I got other workouts, I got other unboxings and things like that. If you're looking for the review on these, I did review them on a different colorway, so I'll put that link in the description as well. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.